Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Hello friends. Today let's see simple yet tastiest pickle recipe which can be prepared easily and can be stored for 4 to 5 months when refrigerated. For a perfect and spicy tomato pickle recipe, firstly I would recommend to use ripe tomatoes completely red in color as shown. After washing, first let's dry the tomatoes using kitchen towel. Wipe all the tomatoes with the kitchen towel and let them dry completely. I am taking 350 grams tamarind for 3 kg tomatoes. I will take out all the seeds if any, clean it and keep it aside in a separate plate. Slice all the tomatoes into small pieces. Now put a pan on the stove and add 150 ml oil. Add the sliced tomatoes. Also add cleaned tamarind to the tomatoes. Stir it once and let it cook on low flame for at least 1 hour. Keep stirring occasionally for every 10 minutes. Otherwise, there is a chance that tomatoes may burn at the bottom. Put a pan on the stove and dry roast fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. I am taking 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Roast them nicely and powder them. After cooking for 1 hour on low flame, the tomatoes are cooked nicely. Now we will add the chili powder and salt. I am adding 350 grams of chili powder for 3 kgs of tomatoes. Mix well and then add salt. Here I am adding 250 grams of salt. And this will be sufficient, and if not, you can add salt later after 2 days when the pickle will be ready. Mix very well and also add fenugreek and mustard seeds powder. Stir nicely and our spicy tangy tomato pickle is ready. I will add 200 grams crushed garlic in the tempering. If you want, you can add less. Now let's prepare the tempering by adding 250 ml oil in a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once they splutter, I will add 15 to 20 garlic cloves, and also I am adding 200 grams of crushed garlic. Stir well and add around 20 red chilies and also curry leaves. Stir it for 1 minute and then add the tempering to the tomato pickle. And our tasty, spicy, tangy tomato pickle is ready, which tastes super good with rice and also with chapati, and can be easily stored in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 months. Please do like, share and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.